Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, sir.
How are you today?
I'm fine. Thank you, Professor.
I'm fine. Well, thank you. Are you ready to lesson today?
Not really.
So, before we going deeply to learn about this material, I think better us to prayer first. And I think who leaders in this class?
Faisal, sir.
Okay, Mas Faisal, lead to pray together. Mulai.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, we move to the material. So before we going quickly to the material, I want to you to watch this video, and this video about ice breaking. So the rules is just you just follow the instruction on this video.
Yeah. Okay,
So,
sir.
are you ready?
Ready.
Bro. Sir.
Apa ini?
Okay, good. After less speaking, I hope you booster your energy and your focus to studying today.
Yes, sir.
Okay, student focus on picture in the front of you. There are two pictures. Do you know about this picture? Where is
Yes,
it?
sir.
Where is it?
Borobudur Temple.
Okay, good. How about this? Have you been in there before? Step. Raise your hand. Only one? Only one. How about this valley?
It's so far.
Three. Okay. Can you mention what's memories with this place?
Temple.
Kasuria. You have in Bali before?
It's Ulun Lanu Belakang. It's a memorable temple in Bali. It's Hindu.
Okay, good. Kasuria, thank you. Okay, I will move to the other side. So basically today we will learn about recontext. Do you ever heard about recontext before, or you know what recontext?
Yeah, in this class.
Okay, I will explain about recontext. So before the explanation about recontext, I will give you another videos. Focus on the picture in front of you. Screen in front of you.
Okay, sir.
We went there by car. We left home at 9 a.m. It took about an hour from Makalu to Kugu Beach. When we arrived at the beach, I directly took some photos of my camera. Then, my little brother played sand heavily. My mother and father sat under the coconut tree. They also prepared our lunch. After that, my parents and I ate lunch together. After lunch, we decided to go home. I
Okay, video is done. What do you get from that video? What video tells about?
Cookies.
Okay, so basically, that video before is example of free context that retells about past experiences. So I will move to the explanation of free context. First is, what is free context? A free context is a text that retells past experience. Its main goal is to entertain or to inform the reader about an event, incident, or activity that happened in the past. So basically, a context is retell past experience and to entertain or to inform the reader. It happens in the past. Can you read again, Mas Faisal? What is the context?
So the context is a text that tells past experiences. Its main goal is to entertain or to inform the reader about the event, incident, or activity that happened in the past.
Okay, good, Mas Faisal. Everyone understand about the context, right?
Yes,
Basic.
sir.
Okay. We'll move to the other slide.
Okay.
Is the purpose of free context. So there are three purposes of free context. The first is to retell past event. The second one is to inform the readers. Number three is to entertain the reader. So this is the language features of free context. The first free context uses past tense because it retells past events. The verb must be in the past form or verb to. Examples of past tense is when, was, were, played, ate, saw, bought, and etc. And the example of the sentence is, I went to the zoo yesterday. I saw many animals there. But Alvina, can you mention three examples of past tense? Yeah.
I went, was, were, played, ate, saw, bought, and ada ya Pak ya?
Only three.
Only
Okay,
three.
good, that's good.
It's a three-part tense.
And second is uses sequencing words or temporal conjunctions. These words are used to sequence the events. For example, first, then, next, after that, finally, yesterday, last week.
Yes.
But Zazo, can you mention the example of uses sequencing words?
First, then, next, after that, finally, yesterday, last week.
Okay, good. So this is the example and the generic structures of the context. So basically, the context have generic structure. There are three generic structures. It's called reorientation in the first paragraph, and then events in the middle of text, and the last is reorientation. And the example, who wants to read the example? Okay, Mas Pandu, read loudly.
Okay. Orientation. Last month, I played in my first officially football match for our school team. The game was on Saturday morning at the city stadium, and we were playing against our rivals outside school. And then events. First, the referee blew the whistle, and the game started. Both teams played aggressively. Then, in the first half, I passed the ball to our striker, who almost scored a goal. After that, during the second half, I got a quick pass from my friend near the penalty box. I controlled the ball, took a shot with my left foot, and the ball flew into the top corner of the net. The crowd cheered loudly. Finally, the referee ended the game. And then reorientation. We won the match 1.0. I felt incredibly proud and happy because I scored the winning goal. It was an unforgettable and exciting experience for our whole team.
Okay, thank you Mas Pandu. So, ada apa? Ada kata-kata yang di highlight pakai warna. This is red color and orange color. The red color is last month first that finally it called sequencing work, and the other side about the orange highlight in the orange color is it called past tense. Okay. So the summary of this material about recontact is what the text that retail has experienced. The structure, there are three: orientation, events, and reorientation. And the fourth is language feature, past tense, sequencing word, and action verbs. And the last purpose is to entertain and to inform. Okay, after this, I want to divide you into several groups.
What's the next?
So I will give you the paper.
Oh, shit.
So this is group 1.
No, I had this.
Group
Snapshot. You can play snapshot.
And
Why? It's a very famous way you have not played this. Why?
So you will make the context on your group. One recontext, and after that, one member will represent to presentate in the front of the class. Do you finish?
Yes,
students?
sir.
Okay, group 1, present your result in the front of the class.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, I'm from group 1. I will present our group discussion. This title is A Trip to the Peace, Canada. Okay, in orientation, last holiday my family and I went to Canada Beach. And then we went there by car for about 3 hours. Okay, 3 hours. And then events. When we arrived, I showed white sand and big waves. First, I played in the water with my little brother. Then we built a big sand castle. After this, my mother sat under a tree and watched us. After that, we ate grilled fish and coconut ice. Before going home, we bought some seashell souvenirs. And then in orientation, I was very happy because I love the beach. I hope we can go there again next holiday. I hope you guys. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. What about group 2? Are you ready to present your result in the front of the class?
Oh, sir. Fanny, mau gue Fanny. Cepat. Quickly.
From group 2, a visit to grandma's house. The orientation. During the school holiday, I visited my grandmother in a small village. I went there with my father by motorcycle. And then for the event, the trip took 1 hour at my grandmother's house. I helped her water the plants in the garden, and we also picked some mangoes from the tree. And in the afternoon, I played with my cousin. We flew a kite in the rice field, and at night, my grandmother told me a fairy tale before I slept. And for the reorientation, I really enjoyed my holiday at my grandmother's house. It was simple but very fun. Thank you.
Okay, cool. Give applause to group 2. What group 3? You ready to present in the front of the class?
Okay. Hello everyone, good afternoon. I'm from Group 3 and I have a trip to the mountain. Okay, the first is orientation. Last holiday, my class went to a mountain resort. Last holiday, my class went to a mountain resort. We went there by bus with our teacher, Mr. Tuki. Events. The winter was very cold. First, we did a short hiking to a waterfall. The water was clear and cold. Then we had lunch together near the waterfall. After that, we played games like hide and seek. Some of my friends took photos of the beautiful view. In the afternoon, we went back to the bus. And the last is orientation. It was a great holiday. I felt fresh and happy after spending time in the mountain. Maybe not ending.
Okay, anyone understand about material to about recontext?
Yes.
If you have any question, if you delivered all of material about recontext today, so I will close this class with wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hooray!